What happens when a premium brand sues a beloved retailer over lookalikes and ends up giving them free marketing instead? This post unpacks the ongoing lawsuit between Lululemon and Costco over the ABC pants, scuba hoodies, and Define jackets, and explores how Costco turned the legal heat into a viral win. It also examines the tension between brand protection and embracing dupe culture in today's price sensitive, algorithm driven retail landscape. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, we wanted to share with you the ongoing lawsuit between Costco and Lululemon and how this lawsuit has become a marketing win for Costco. Earlier this year, Lululemon sued Costco over allegedly infringing the design of some of its most iconic apparel like the ABC men's pants, Define jackets, and scuba hoodies. The lawsuit claimed that Costco's private label, that is Kirkland Signature, was selling lookalikes that mimic Lululemon's apparel without consent and confusingly similar product features. But here's the twist. While Lululemon fought to protect its IP, Costco walked away with a wave of positive publicity. Social media lit up with try-on hauls, side-by-side comparisons, and viral Costco dupe videos, many of which framed the Kirkland versions as nearly indistinguishable from the originals but sold at fraction of the price. And here's the irony. Just 2 years ago, Lululemon embraced the dupe culture. It ran a campaign inviting customers to trade in their aligned knockoffs for the real thing, turning the dupe conversation into brand marketing moment. So when Costco entered the arena, it's but natural to ask as to what's the difference now. For Costco, the lawsuit may have been a legal challenge, but from a marketing standpoint, it was a gift. The buzz reinforced Costco's reputation for quality private label products that rival premium brands and helped the reimposition of Kirkland as more than just a pantry staple. And for Lululemon, the brand does have every right to defend its IPs and its copyrights and the trade secrets, but the move has exposed a growing tension between exclusivity and accessibility. After all, when you have spent years building a loyal community around performance and premium pricing, a viral dupe, especially from a beloved retailer like Costco, can be a double-edged sword. At the heart of all this is a broader question. Can premium brands coexist with copycats in an age of algorithm-fed discovery and value-hungry consumers? Or some dupes are just too good and too public to ignore? That's all that we wanted to share with you in this video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned in for more.